In this video, we will show you how to reset the Microsoft Access Autonumber field. Consider the sample data shown in the table over here. This table contains an ID column, which is an Autonumber field. If we remove any rows from here, you will notice that the Autonumber fields will not be renumbered. Furthermore, the Autonumber assigned to that particular deleted record will not be utilized anywhere else. So if we remove the recently added field here and add a new record, you can see that a new number has been assigned to the field, and the ID column is completely out of order. By default, you cannot reset the Autonumber counter, so the only way to reset the Autonumber is by deleting and adding a new Autonumber field in the database. To start with, we will first remove the primary key constraint from this particular field. Without doing this, the column cannot be removed from the database. For that, right-click on the Tables tab and choose the Design View option. Here you will observe a small key icon is being displayed against the ID column on the left side. Just click on it and choose the primary key option from the menu. With that done, let's delete the ID field for now. With that taken care of, let's insert a new row over here and set its data type as Autonumber. Once you switch back to the Data Sheet view, you will observe that the Autonumber field has been renumbered.